Ano daw? Oh, sila ate, si ate Marie, si ate Sydney. May pila pa ata yung ihian nata doon. Ay, wait.
Kiwi, look! Hey! It's raining!
It's raining. Ano yun?
Tanggal natin damit niya, gagamit natin.
Ate Marie, ikaw to, nandito ka. Oh, lag, no. No.